completely, and only play around with the clutch. When it's moving too fast, you start pressing slowly in. If it's fine, you maintain it. Press the clutch slowly in. Your car is moving too fast. Yes. Keep it slow. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check out the big space. Half. Stop. 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 The problem, we are allowing the car to move too fast. We are saying the car should move slow. When you are turning, just turn normally. Don't turn with the whole body. The whole body is turning. That's why the feet on the clutch is moving. When you are turning here, you must check where. Straighten the steering wheel. Put one. Then a bit lesser. Half. Go forward slowly. Maintain it there. Turn back, turn back, turn back. Turn. Wait. Stop. Okay. You must check where the line, you see this line? You turn in here. You go straight and start turning in here. When
we are
moving
going this side.
Yes, this line that go this side. You are waiting for the line.
Hi.
You see, this is what the line turning. When your shoulder is here, that's when you lock the other side. So go forward slowly.
Turn it to the other side.
Yeah. When the line bend to go straight. Because here you can see the line, but other side you can see. Lock it. This car is moving.
To here.
When your shoulder is here, it's time to start turning. Not to stop, just start turning.
Oh, then get a demo.
Yes, to go back to the box.
Oh.
Everything here is having a reference point.
Oh.
You want to take back. Even that pole is the reference that it's time now to turn back. Everything is a reference. When should you turn? Because if you don't act on that point, it's late. So you see the line goes straight. Where it bend to go straight. When your shoulder is there, you turn.
You turn. Oh, you lock it completely.
You turn too early. Can you see the line? That means you will be on the line. Then it will be difficult. You won't be able to see. So as soon as your shoulder is here, it's time to turn. And you don't need to stop. You just turn while the car is
Moving.
Because now as you turn, you are likely to step over the line. Okay? Let's go and see.
Let's see. Move forward.
I want you to focus on that mirror. You see that left mirror? This line will appear again in that mirror. But if it's behind the car, you won't see it. The car should go slowly. Slowly in. Slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. The car is cute.
I see.
That's what we are telling you. The moment you see that line, you see the other line is appearing there. Going straight, you turn back because the car is almost straight. And it's the same thing you are doing when you are going there. The moment you see the pole, that means the car is almost straight, turn back. That's why you can't make it, because your line appear, but you don't want to turn back. By the time you turn back, it's late. Now, put to reverse. Lock it to the left. I want you to focus on that mirror. When the line goes straight, you stop. Move slowly. Are you in reverse? Leave the brake and keep releasing the clutch slowly. Leave the brake.
What are you coming?
Leave the brake. Are you in reverse? Yes. Keep releasing the clutch slowly. Gently. Yes, keep releasing it gently. That's not gently, that's fast. Gently. You are giving the car a limit that knows you are taking long. By now you are supposed to go. Release the car gently. It will overcome the problem. Let's start the car. With the reversing. Yeah, start. Leave the brake. As long as you keep releasing that clutch gently, the car will move backward. You see, it's picking up gently. Leave the brake. Gently, gently, very slow. Clutch and brake.
Oh.
That's why we say you must go gently so that you know when to stop. Because then you start pressing again the clutch in. That's why we are saying go gently so that you know where to stop. What do I get and the cash in chili melam? Elambo in the tour, you're picking up. Shama gaining enough power to overcome it. Shama Pitelam, what will be next? Or to a better night, then it will go fast. You have to go gently, how much a Pitelambo can hold it, or you start pressing slowly in. Or when another Pitelambo, you are still giving more power. So the car is a matter of observing over the time. Is it going up or down, or is constant? And the moment you see something is wrong, react before it's too late. Because if you don't react, then you're only left with one choice, to panic, nothing else. Wow. Now even the point that you were checking, you overpass it, put one. Leave the brake. Press the brake slowly. Leave it slowly, the brake.
I'm out completely.
Out completely, good. Then the clutch slowly while you are checking your point there in the mirror. Maintain is there. Maintain that clutch at that level. The car is moving.
Oh.
Just check your point. There it's moving.
It's not moving.
It's moving.
Hella.